Sorry, didn't see you guys there. I was just practicing my sick new ninja moves. Today's video is all about placement. And stick around, and we're going to teach you all about placement and how you can apply your own ninja mask too. Alright guys, so let's talk about placement. So the standard areas on your shirt that you want to heat apply are your front, your left chest, or the back of your shirt. But there are plenty of other more creative ways that you can decorate your shirt. For example, on this shirt here, you could decorate along the collar, you could decorate on the side, on the front going to the back of your shirt. You can decorate on your sleeves, so here and here, or you could decorate going down your spine, or even along the bottom of your shirt. Now, a few ways that you could line these designs up. So for your front of the shirt, you can use 5 fingers, 4 to 5, place them down the collar and line them up that way. For your left chest, decorate them like so by putting your finger below your collar and using your thumb as an alignment. Or a few other options that you could do when decorating this is by creasing it, by folding the shirt in half, vertical style or horizontal style, and that will give you those creases to line up your design. And if you would like to invest in more tools, you can use something like one of these and line up your shirt with one of these T-squares. A link can be found for these in the description below. Moving on to hoodies, if you want to decorate a hoodie, you can decorate on top of your hoodie or decorate on your pouch. There's plenty of options. But really, the moral of the story is anywhere is possible to decorate on a shirt. It's all about being creative and thinking outside the box. Alright guys, now moving on to the fun part of the project. We are going to start creating our ninja masks. So, first things first, I have a sheet of tan, black, and white EasyWeed. So, first thing we need to do is get these puppies weeded. So let's do that. I'm going to use my heat press, which is warmed up to 310 degrees, and I'm just going to press the bottom platen, and I'm going to place my first layer over there and weed this away. And then we're going to do the eyes. It should already be hot. And the heat press just makes this so much easier to weed. It just comes off in one piece. Now moving on to the front of our shirt, I'm just going to press it one more time. And fun fact about ninjas, they weren't actually called ninjas when they first started. They were actually called shinobi, and the name ninja didn't come along until after World War II. Now that part is finished. Now we just got to get the pupil of our eyes after we just press it for 2 more seconds. And now we're ready for heat application. Alright guys, I'm wearing the shirt we're going to decorate. So, first things first is we need to figure out where we're going to place those ninja eyes on the inside of our shirt. To do that, you want to put the shirt on, then you take the shirt and you're gonna flip it over your head like you would wear your awesome ninja mask. So with the shirt on over your head, you're going to now find your piece of tape and place it on the bridge of your nose. Just like so. I can kind of see out the shirt, but not really. And now you have your tape placed, so you're gonna know where to put your eyes on the inside of your shirt. Moving on to heat application, we have our shirt marked where the bottom of our eyes are gonna go. So I'm gonna take my first base layer of our design and we're gonna flip it upside down, because when we turn the shirt over our face, it's gonna turn right side up, if that makes any sense. So, anyways, we're gonna take our design, we're gonna flip it upside down, and we're gonna put it onto our shirt so that the bottom of the eyes just reaches the tape. We're gonna press it on, and then you can lift up the carrier and remove the tape, so that way you know that it's in the correct spot. Once you have that applied, or not applied, but stuck onto your garment, you're gonna take your garment, and since the shirt is so big, I'm just gonna put it on here sideways so that the seams aren't getting in the way of the pressure. And then we're gonna put our heat transfer sheet over that, and we're just going to apply this for 5 seconds. EasyWeed is a hot peel, so you can peel it right away. It's a hot or cold peel, actually. And then next is we're gonna grab our eyes, and then we're gonna line those up with our tan sheet, keeping in mind that they're upside down. So this whole thing you're applying upside down. Whoops. And making sure that it's straight. Put on your heat transfer cover sheet and press it for another 5 seconds. And lastly, we want to put on our pupils and our eyebrows, keeping in mind again that it's upside down, making sure that the eyebrows are centered in there. There we go. That looks about right. And then we're gonna apply it for the full 15 seconds now that we have our full layers on there. And that's the inside of our shirt, and we're gonna take this, get these things out of the way, and then we're gonna flip it right side out so we can heat apply the front of our design. And the design I chose is Ask Me About My Ninja Mask, because you don't just want to be walking around with a ninja mask and having people not know about it. You want to draw a little bit of attention to it. Pique people's curiosity. And I'm going to use the 5-finger method and get that lined up. I'm also going to use my tag on the inside of my shirt as the center line. That looks good to me. So once you have that lined up, place that on your heat press. And then you place your heat transfer sheet over that and apply it for your full 15 seconds. And there is your ninja costume. It's pretty dope. There are plenty of creative areas where you can design a shirt. It's all about having fun with it and thinking outside of the box. What are some of the more creative areas that you guys have designed shirts? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun videos and tutorials. Again, I'm Austin from Siser North America. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Oh, sorry. I didn't see you guys there. I was just practicing. Oh, dang it, didn't fall. Ow. That was hot.
pause in between, but don't take too long because we only have 27 minutes of battery left.
Okay.